Wranglerstar, I'm going to have to say not cool. Now, I know the title of this video is kind of clickbait, but I don't care. I do things my way. But reason why I'm saying not cool is, see, Wranglerstar put out a video, or a survey rather, about some shoes that, do they fix backache? Well, I don't know anything about those shoes. And he said he would let us know how they work and stuff. But here's the reason why I say not cool. I'm not saying Wranglerstar is not cool, or, you know, that's not what I'm saying at all. What I'm saying here is, Wranglerstar don't have a bad back, per se. Now everybody gets their back aches and back pains and stuff. Oh, that's some good strong stuff. Don't get it down the wrong pipe either. But anyway, he don't have back problems. He said he's going to let us know how that works. And the reason why I'm saying it's not cool is because I do have some back problems. And we won't get into that, what mine are. But say like somebody comes along and says, hey, these shoes, they did fix my back problem. And so I'm like, wow, you know what? Here we got a miracle cure. I'm going to go out and buy a pair of those shoes. Well, on my limited income, because I'm on disability because of my back, I go on out and buy some shoes thinking that, hey, this is really going to help. And on my limited income, I can't afford going out and taking a chance on that stuff. So, there's a good chance that if I was to buy some of the shoes, even if somebody says, hey, these suckers work, well, you know what? They might work for a few people, but they won't work for everybody. And I would hate to see somebody that's on a low income buy something just because a bigger channel said this works. Do your research, folks. Do your research. And I'm sure that that's what Wranglerstar would say too. I think Wranglerstar has a great channel. I think he's an honest guy. I think he's upstanding. So this ain't to question his integrity or anything like that whatsoever. I love watching his channel. Get great words of wisdom, and I love his take on life with how to treat his wife and, you know, manly manners and different stuff. I mean, it's really a cool channel. But I don't need to promote his channel. Sure would be nice if he'd promote mine. But I think he's smarter than that. He says, you know what? Hey, wait a second. That Grizz character, even though we're neighbors, figuratively speaking, there ain't no way that I want to be associated with him. I'm glad he lives 75 miles away from me. Anyway, folks, just remember, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. For more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's going to be more sawmill videos, carpentry videos, gardening videos, cutting firewood videos, just all kinds of stuff going to be on my channel. You just never know what it's going to be. Might even be some humor thrown on in there. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of junk too. But yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down here. Or is it down over here? I don't know. I don't care. Just as long as you hit that subscribe button. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.